Chicken gun, chicken gun, chicken gun, chicken gun. This is a very. Oh yeah. My little brother played my phone. My little brother played my phone, so he changed my name to Prison 11. So never mind. Just going to business. Chicken official. Time to use my business head. What's this? You can be bald. Ain't no way, ain't no way. Is this the new update? Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. I can be bald. I can be bald. Make me bald. No, I don't want to be bald. I don't want to get left. That's my black suit. Where's my cool glasses? Where's my mustache? There it is. I changed my gun skin. Now I look cooler. I'm to play some team fights or duel. I like playing duel. There's only KVD. I'm just going to wait for a server. No! I only play server that is literally higher. I'm going to make myself a server. Business server? That's very businessy. I think they're so friendly. I think the loud sounds of the smoke grenades. I think the loud sound of the smoke grenades are very loud. Yeah, just ask them. They're very loud. Yeah, I'm out of here. Ain't no way! Ain't no way! Duel 666. Alright, let's play that. Okay. Chicken. I am the business chicken. I don't give a single mercy. You butt me. Oh, you're dead. You nah. You are single. Ain't no way you're going to win. Wait, he's a hacker. Hacker. Wait, what? Oh, I think they just bugged the game. I'm the best of hacker. I ambush right here. I use my bazooka and you're dead. Like that. Bro, name rich chicken. Why am I lagging? What? Oh, he's mad. That guy in the chat is mad. I think I released the part 2 way too early than the part 1. yeah, time travel lah. Time travel too fast. Business chicken. See me with the duel. See me with this gun. There you are dead. I'm the pro. Actually not a pro. Bro. Why so hot? I fought so hot, but not so far. Wait, this Charlo House, no? Wait, what version is this? 6.01. Is there a new weapon? I would like a new weapon. I would like a purchase. That's a snowball. I'm not going to buy a goddamn snowball. I'm just going in. Cannot eat my ice cream. I'm going to tonkin. I hope no one knows that I do this each match. Are they battling? Am I lagging? I'm lagging. Wait, what's in the bazooka? Oh. Oh, that's nothing. Wait, what? He died? He's in the base. Wait, then how that guy died? This is not logic. Wait, that's the shadow. He's in their base. Wait, what? Blood thinks he's scary chicken 660. Time to use my very OP thing. Oh wait, I don't need an extra. I already got an OP thing. Am I not reading? No. I'm going to secure that. No, I'm lagging. No. Bro. Don't you die. Am I lagging? Oh my god, that's OP. That's OP. That's super OP. Bro. Alright, I'm going to switch servers. Duel 666, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back with a freaking different team. Thank you, man. We're winning. We're winning. We're winning. He's inside the big. Bro, scared. No, bro, no, no, don't die. Don't die in the hands of the pigs. No! Let's see. Going to die. Alright, we both get a point. Fair. No, bro, don't die. I'm following you, so you don't die. You will become my fish bait. Hey, yo. Ziggy. He's still inside the base. Hey, what now? He's... Aha. Ton. Ton, 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 ton. Time to use shotgun spree. Time to use shotgun spree. Oh my god, they shoot too fast. Bro thinks it's pro, bro thinks it's pro, bro thinks it's pro, bro thinks, yes, bro thinks it's pro, bro thinks it's pro, bro thinks it's pro. Ton! Yeah, I'm the gun legend. Actually, no, that guy helped me, so not gun legend. God dang, cheater. Ding dong. He's not inside the base. To use more catch. That will be. Inside. Whoa! Think I'm stupid. Think I'm stupid. Yeah. No, you left. I can drink water. Yeah. Oh no, it's wait, where it's Horror Clan. Don't fail for their tricks. Their tricks are stupid. Yeah, we gonna win. Oh wait, what? I'm a business chicken. I don't give a single chance. I am not innocent, and nobody does the thing. My goodness, people's going to hit me. I don't give a mercy. Stupid! Whoa, I automatically reload. Bro. Oh! Easy. I'm the most toxic person, maybe. No! I'm going to wall glitch there. Since he's going to bomb rush. Let's see. Let's see what are you going to do? He's stupid. Blood is stupid. Where is he? Blood. Bro. Bro. Where are you? You never learn, kid. Oh, he's going to. Aha! I saw you, idiot. Ah! Wait, what? Wait, what? It's a 4v2. That's great because there's a blue chicken. Wait, there's a cat. There's a blue cat. Oh no, he knows where I am. He knows where I came. Oh, you're going down. You're going downstairs. No worries. You're going downstairs. Blood thinks he's pro. Ah, it's a 4v1. Great. What time is it? Oh no, this puppy playtime. Now everyone is going to bomb rush. How great? How good is the spray on this gun? That's scary. That's scary. Ooh, ooh. Oh, go, go, go. That's scary. Crap, this is not. this just. Oh, where is the coffee drink? Well, that's all. Goodbye, everybody.